Hello guys, nice to see you. It's dgsole. This is information about us. Now check the issue. It's the authentic Air Jordan 12 OVO, and here you can check it. Check it in detail, the top laser measure. And also here you can catch the Jumpman logo in this brown part, and here the print on the swamps and the stitching, and here the gold tips and Jumpman. The front, the toe box, and here you can catch the gold Jumpman logo on this thumb. Also here the number 23, and check the another side. And here the back. Here you can catch the Jordan and the sentence, also the number 23. And inner part, okay, this insole the cow, and here the size tab. Now check the bottom. You can catch the OVO on here, and the Jumpman 23. Also the carbon fiber. Good quality is. And check another shoe here. Look at this side. This front. And the back. Button. Now let's over it. If you like it, please check our website dgsole.cn to get more information about it. Let's over it. Thank you for listening. Bye.